Gentlemen, let me ask you something honestly. What if I told you there's a small spot on your body about the size of a coin that, when massaged for just 1 minute a day, could dramatically improve blood flow, increase sensitivity, and even help restore performance that may have faded over the years? Sounds unbelievable, right? Maybe even a little awkward. But stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly where that spot is, why it works, and how a simple daily massage could be the most natural health boost you've been missing. Before we jump in, do me one quick favor. Hit the like button, tell me where you're watching from, and don't forget to subscribe to True Wellness Network so you never miss a new video on science-based men's health. Now, let's talk about the real truth behind this hidden spot. Most men believe that once they cross 50 or 60, certain parts of life naturally start slowing down. They think circulation weakens, muscles lose strength, and confidence declines with age. So they either ignore the issue or rely entirely on pills when things don't cooperate. But here's the real truth. Age isn't the enemy. Poor pelvic circulation and deep muscle tension are. Decades of sitting, stress, tight muscles, and low activity cause major stiffness in the pelvic floor, the group of muscles that support urination, circulation, and intimate function. It's like an old rubber band, stretched out, tight, but no longer springy. When this happens, nerves lose sensitivity, blood vessels become less flexible, and what used to happen naturally suddenly becomes difficult. The good news, releasing tension and improving circulation in one specific spot can help reset the system naturally, and that spot has been recognized for centuries in traditional medicine. But now, modern science is finally explaining why it works. For those new here, I'm Dr. Mia Carter, urologist and men's health specialist, with years of experience helping older adults regain vitality without unnecessary medication or risky procedures. I've seen men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s experience powerful improvements simply by restoring blood flow and easing pelvic tension. And today, I'll show you one of the most underrated methods available: perineal massage. Traditionally known as the million point in some cultures. But before I show you how to do it, let's quickly expose the 3 biggest mistakes men make. Mistakes this massage directly helps reverse. Mistake number 3, ignoring pelvic tension. Most men don't realize their pelvic muscles are stuck in a constantly clenched state. Hours of sitting, stress, and holding in urine keep these muscles locked tight. What happens? Blood flow slows, nerves lose sensitivity, tissues weaken. This massage helps unlock that hidden tension, like releasing a knot that's been silently blocking performance for years. Mistake number 2, depending only on pills. Pills may help temporarily, but they don't fix the root of the problem: poor circulation plus weak pelvic muscles. They force blood flow but don't improve the health of the vessels or nerves. This technique works with your body, not against it, helping build long-term improvement. Mistake number 1, believing age means decline. This is the biggest myth. I've met men in their late 60s and 70s who believed they were too old until we restored circulation and pelvic strength. Within weeks, their confidence returned, their energy returned, their sense of masculinity returned. Age doesn't end vitality. Poor circulation does. Now let's get practical. Here's how to do the massage safely. Step 1, find the spot. The area is the perineum, located between the scrotum and anus. Right in the center, you'll feel a slight soft point. A little tenderness is normal. It means you're in the right place. Step 2, position yourself comfortably. Either sit at the edge of a chair or lie on your back with knees slightly bent. Step 3, apply gentle pressure. Use your index and middle fingers. Apply pressure like you're checking if a peach is ripe, firm, but never painful. Step 4, massage for 60 seconds. Choose any of these patterns: small, slow circles, 5-second press plus relax, gentle pulses. Step 5, use the right oil, optional but powerful: castor oil, deeper circulation, coconut oil, soothing and antibacterial black seed oil, traditionally supports male hormone balance. Warm the oil in your palms first for comfort. Step 6, timing. Do it once a day. Best times: morning, when natural hormone levels peak; night, to relax muscles for better sleep. Consistency beats intensity. 1 minute daily greater than 10 minutes once a week. Let me share a real patient example. A 63-year-old gentleman came to me saying he had given up on intimacy. We started this simple technique daily. Within 3 weeks, Circulation improved hip discomfort, reduced bladder control, strengthened morning energy returned. He told me, "I feel like myself again." That's what this is really about. Not just performance, but quality of life. Final takeaway. Massage this spot 1 minute a day. Use natural oils if you want extra benefits. Stay consistent. Notice changes within weeks. Age doesn't define your vitality. Your habits do. If this video gave you hope, please like the video, subscribe to True Wellness Network, and share in the comments. What's one change you're committing to this week? This is Dr. Mia Carter reminding you, you are not too old, you are not broken, and you absolutely can feel alive again. Start today. Your future self will thank you.